Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss one practice worksheet with you in which we are having the topic fraction. The very first question is 3 by 4 is a dash fraction. So you have to tell whether it is a proper, improper, unit or like fraction. So it can't be a like fraction, it can't be a unit fraction as इट इज़ नॉट गिवन 1. तो ना ये यूनिट है ना ये हमारा लाइक फ्रैक्शन है. लाइक फ्रैक्शन के लिए दो फ्रैक्शंस चाहिए, बट इट कैन बी अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ये एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है. इट कैन बी अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एज न्यूमिनेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज a proper fraction has value dash less dash than 1 whole. जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है दैट हैज़ डैश दैन 1 होल, तो उसकी वैल्यू लेस होगी या ग्रेटर होगी? इट विल बी ऑलवेज अ लेस देन. जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 1 क्योंकि उसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है. इट्स न्यूमरेटर इज ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन द डिनोमिनेटर. Next is the value of an improper fraction is dash than 1 whole. जो improper fraction है, in improper fraction we know the numerator is greater. Clear? So जो numerator है greater होता है या फिर equal. So you can pick the option B. So the improper fraction is greater or equal than 1 whole. Next is which of the following fraction is equivalent to 1 by 5. अब आपने चेक करना है which are equivalent to 1 by 5. You can do it by doing the cancellations. ठीक है, तो cancellations कर लेंगे. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Here again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 4 and 25 both are cannot be divisible. 18 and 25 also cannot be divisible. So the answer is option A. Option A is the answer. Which of the following fractions that is equivalent to 1 by 5? तो 5 by 25 होगा. Next है in the two like fractions 7 by 9 and 70 by 9. Sorry, the question is incomplete here. In the two like fractions 7 by 9 and 70 by 9, तो आपको चेक करना है 7 by 9 is greater than 70 by 9. No, 7 is smaller. ठीक है, तो 70 by 9 is greater than the 7 by 9. So option B will be your answer. Next is the first three equivalent fractions of 3 by 10. First three means you will start multiplying it by 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, then 4 by 4. Okay, so whenever you will start multiplying by 2 by 2, तो ये क्या होएगा 6 by 20. Next will be 3 by 3, तो 9 by 30, and then we will multiply it by 4 by 4, तो ये होगा 12 by 40. So this will be your options. तो option C will be your answer. Option C हमारा आंसर होगा. 7th is the next three like fractions of 5 by 9 are. अब 5 by 9 के next three like fractions, 5 के बाद क्या होगा 6, 7 और 8. So 6 by 9, 7 by 9 and 8 by 9. Denominator should also be 9. So this will be your option B. You can check out the other options also. आप check कर सकते हो. इसके नीचे ये like fractions ही नहीं है. These are also not like fractions. These are like fractions but these are not in proper order. तो ये 6 से शुरू होना चाहिए, ये 7 से है. Next is which of the following fractions is in the lowest form? Lowest form means दोनों नंबर्स में कोई भी नंबर कॉमन ना हो. 3 and 15, 3 5s are 15, तो ये कॉमन नहीं है. 7 and 19, 7 and 19. See, 7 is a prime number, 19 also prime number. तो both are fractions that this fraction will be in the lowest form. तो यही एक fraction है जो lowest form है. बाकी चेक कर लेते हैं. 15 by 25. 15 can be divisible by 5 and 25 also. 7 3s are 21, तो ये भी divisible हो सकता है. So only option is 7 by 19. Next is which fraction is equivalent to 2 by 3? तो 2 by 3 के equivalent कौन सी होगी? So next fraction it will be 4 by 9 if we multiply it by 2 by 2. 4 by 6. So our fraction equivalent to 2 by 3 will be 4 by 6, the next option. Next is last question. To reduce a fraction to its lowest terms and numerator and the denominator of the fractions are divided by their dash. To reduce the fraction to its lowest terms. So this is your question. I would like to have the answer in the comment section below. Thank you so much.